Hey guys, it's Apollo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the 1-to-1 skill high grade Gundam Tri-Age Magnum. Alright, here is the box itself. Now this is my birthday present of the year 2020, so I'm really happy I got this as my birthday present. Well, I didn't really expect to get this. I mean, I love age. Why should I skip this? But yeah, basically, this is my birthday present for this year. I was originally planning to get the HGBD as my birthday present, but unfortunately, it's not out yet. I mean, if it's out, then I'll probably get that first. But no, I was thinking of getting HGBD as my birthday present. Like, this is a July release. This is a July release, and yeah, I was hoping it would come out midweek after it came out in Japan, but unfortunately it's got delayed for a couple of weeks, and it just arrived today in store. So yeah, I apologize that, you know, I might not be the first to do Gunplay anymore, but you know what, I'm happy I got this kit because I love age myself. And speaking about the kit, I got some new paint as well, just to show you guys. I got the AK clear colors for Generation. I got yellow because, you know, it's a lot of yellow in this kit and paint it. So never tried AK before, to be honest. So it's gonna be interesting to see how this guy will turn out. I mean, I've seen like reviews online. This is quite decent. So I'll try it out on the kits first, like some test parts to try out to see how it goes. If it's good, then I will. If it's good, then I'll more than like, I'll be happy to get more of these paints. If not, I'll just stick to other paints that I'm using currently. Yeah, I've used Tamiya, which is like which is good. I mean, I've used Tamiya many times already. I mean, in the past, it was fine enough. Mr. Hobby Cohesion, not so good because I don't know how the paint really works. I'm not sure how it's not really a good paint to try, to be honest. AK I never tried before, but it'd be a cool thing to try. So yeah. Now put the paint aside. Let's go into unboxing. So. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I really love this design. It is actually originally a like a game exclusive design, like from the Gundam Tri-Age arcade card game. But unfortunately, not many people are aware about it. I mean, it depends on people are aware about it, but it's not really many people are aware about it until Build Divers came, and that's where Kiryu Kujo actually came out to customize an H1 to make it a Tri-Age, based on a Tri-Age. So yeah, it's an unboxing. So yeah, the box art is pretty cool. I mean, nothing too dynamic, but it is what it is, really. So yep. And the box is pretty heavy as well. I mean, something else, it's a pretty heavy box. So yeah. On the side here we have the stuff you have in the kit. Basically, the action pose here. You have the Tri-Dot rifle, which is basically a DOS rifle, it's just longer. And then the Tri-Bird, which is, well, I find this just kind of interesting on this, because you can separate the funnels if you want further, if you want to like this. But I think this it's just bleh, starter. But I think this looks more cooler if I were to display it on an action base. I mean, I would. So yeah. And the Tri-Holder Fin, which has a huge ass sword. That's pretty cool. That's the reason why I want to get this kit, because of clear parts. And you know, and it says that I'm not sure whether it actually works or not, but basically the Tri-Age brand can summon cards to summon like other Gunpla or other weapons for himself. Kamen Rider DK anyone? Yeah. In the side here we have the front back shot of the kit, and yeah, it's like a dent in the box. That's not good. Oops, sorry. It doesn't mention price, but this is 2,000 yen. Yeah, check real quick. Yeah, okay. So let's go unboxing. So I haven't got the tape open yet. So let's get my knife real quick. There you go. There we go. Okay. And take it out. Yep. Right. Let's cut the tape open. There we go. That's pretty easy, I thought. Okay. Alright, let's open the box and see what's inside. First start with the A runner, which is from the original the original H1. Yeah, unfortunately, I mean, the stickers right there, it's not that good. But you know what? I mean, I find it's just to expect it, especially for an old kid that they give new parts to, really. So yeah, I mean, it's fine. I mean, I mean, so no issue for me with that. And I mean, it is the H1. It is the H1 base. The base of the kit's H1, so it is very it's familiar to me. I've built H1 before, so I know how it's kind of thinking. You got the yellow, you got the white, you got the purple around there, which is pretty nice, and the orange. I'm pretty sure this orange will go in the black light, if I'm not mistaken, because I remember my H2, the original H2 Magnum can do that as well. On the back, we have the B1 plate, which is for the Tri-H Magnum. Yeah, Tri-H Magnum. Yep, all the new parts. Even the new shoulder, pretty neat. And the parts of the funnel. And now this is one thing I don't like about this kit. Right out of the bat. So you notice the back screw is all in one piece. And you're wondering, well, it's not the same design, right? Nope. Here is the back screw piece, and it's exactly the same design. I don't understand why you just use this part and give us like parts to clip on here, but no, you just mold a new piece on it, which is really stupid in my opinion. Yeah, it sucks, but you know what? It's fine. Yeah. The beam sabers, which is for the tri-arm sword, long and short, and you have the F1 plate, which is all the white parts, basically. Yeah, means age is pretty cool. I mean, their age is pretty good in terms of their quality, so I'm not complaining. And I don't know why they give us big bags for like small runners. It's gonna make it smaller, I guess, but yeah. E2 plate, which is all the which is part of the tri-holder frame. You've got the feet. You've got parts of the joints for the funnels, and then I think these are the parts for the cannon and the tri-bird. More white parts. The D3 plate, which is the feet and the spoiler on the back, which is based on the H2. Polycaps, little warp on that, and you have the runner stand, which is always welcome addition. The C plate, which is on the joints for the H1 from the H1 normal. I mean, yeah, it's pretty familiar for me. And you have the E1 plate, which is all the joints. Some of the more joints. You got the part for the Tridot's rifle. You got the. This is what I call my most favorite accessory kit. The beam car. Basically, you know, it's a Kamen Rider kit. So let's admit it, really. And the last bag we have the EB2 plate, which again more parts for the more armor parts. And if I could go back, yeah, the clear parts. I don't think this could glow in a black light, if I'm mistaken. I mean, I'll test it out and see myself, but I highly doubt this will glow in a black light. If it does, I'll put an annotation. If not, then so be it, I guess. Alright, that's about it for the contents. And let's go in the manual. Yeah, it's a thick manual as well because you got a lot of parts in this kit. So yeah, Tri-H Magnum. It's a very nice little model. I mean, I've seen reviews already of this guy. I mean, some people say it's good, some people say it's not. But I personally like it because it means age. I mean, I can say no age. Age is my first series I've watched and my favorite series. You know, I know the series is not that good, but you know what? I don't care what people say about it. I really love age because we all stop somewhere. So yeah, I mean, this is all the usual stuff. So in the back we have the details about the Tri-H Magnum and the color guide if you want to paint it. Alright, this is an unboxing of the high grade Tri-H Magnum. I will get this building, well, not immediately. I have to find, I guess, need to build on the kits first. But I will try to get it built as soon as I can because, I mean, I've been procrastinating to build it recently. But yeah, I mean, I am trying to get back to building. I mean, if you're going into Instagram, you guys realize I'm so active there. So, yeah, just follow Instagram. I probably just post a lot of stuff there. Yeah. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.